Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my hair really quick. I suck at doing my hair. It's not my favorite thing to do because I don't really have the patience for it, and it's just, I feel like I got slow motion hands. So I'm going to use the Beachwaver. This is the S series and it's the 1.25 inch, and everyone's told me that you can do your hair in under 5 minutes. So I'm gonna give it a go. And they say it's super simple, so I'm just gonna pull my hair back really quick. I love anything that basically does the work for me when I do my hair, because I feel like you either have a knack for doing your hair and you do it like really good and it comes easy, or you're just, it's not your thing, and I'm one of those people. So I'm gonna take like this much hair, and then they say to put it down at the end and leave like an inch out. And wrap it all up. I'm gonna leave it there for a few seconds. Oh, look, I got a little curl. Okay. I forgot. I have to spray in this heat protectant stuff because I don't want to burn my ends off. Oh my gosh, this is why I always damage my hair, because I forget to do that. All right, so this is by Beachwaver too that I picked up. I'm just gonna spray it through my hair. And this is such an important step, because you will literally burn your ends so much. Like me, don't be me. Grab another piece. So do that again. There's no way I can mess it up because it just like does it for you. And I love that I don't have to touch this part, like the barrel, and burn myself, which you guys know I always burn myself. And I get such a good little curl. I'm just gonna speed through this part because I'm gonna do that basically to my whole head. Okay, so now I'm gonna let the two sides down and do the next two sides. So now I'm going to do the top. I love how it's turning out so far. It's like nice and curly. Looks very beachy, very girly, very feminine, not too overly done, which I hate when curls, you end up looking like a 5-year-old. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just going to do the same thing on the top. This wraps up my tutorial. This is my final look. Oh my gosh, this is incredibly easy. I wish I would have gotten this forever ago because I hate curling my hair and it always falls out. And this is the second time I've done it, and my curls actually stay in, and it makes me so happy, and it gives my hair nice volume without looking too pageant-y. I hate the pageant-y look. This just gives you nice, wavy, pretty hair like you stepped outside. I love it. I feel like I want to go to a festival or something fun now, or to the beach, even though it's about 14 degrees outside. Oh my gosh. I'm not a winter person. I'm such a summer girl. So I love this. This gives me happiness. So I love you guys. I hope you guys like this video. And if you guys want to check out the Beachwaver, I will link it below. So don't forget to subscribe, like, blah, 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 and I'll see you soon.